If you rely entirely on your physical presence to generate income, you are operating with a massive, fragile single point of failure. Take the case of entrepreneur Julia McCoy. After years of running a high-volume content agency, she suffered a sudden heart and adrenal collapse. She was bedridden and entirely unable to perform her daily work. Her illness exposed the ultimate limitation of the traditional grind. When your body gives out, your output stops. You become the absolute bottleneck of your own earning potential. This chart, tracking the last 40 years, shows an 81% spike in worker productivity against a flat 30% wage line. Corporations captured that gap. Now, with generative AI, that productivity curve is turning vertical. Because industry experts predict AI adoption will hit full saturation within 5 years, we are in a temporary window where you can still claim your territory in this new superstar economy, a system where ownership trumps labor. If you insist on competing purely through manual effort in this new landscape, you will be mathematically priced out of future wealth generation. Initially, the solution seemed to be monolithic AI. This is the basic use case most people know today, typing a single prompt into a chatbot to generate an isolated script or a standalone text document. But scaling that simple approach hits a severe technical wall. A single chatbot fractures under pressure when you try to force it to manage complex software systems with multiple applications, shared databases, and simultaneous background tasks. We are moving into system-level vibe coding. Vibe coding allows you to describe a software system's intent to an AI, which then builds the actual infrastructure. Here, the AI graduates from a simple typist to a system architect. Moving past single-prompt novelties and into full system orchestration is the required step to truly replace human labor at scale. A prime example of this is Abacus AI's Deep Agent. It is an autonomous agent, a specialized AI program capable of completing complex goals that can build and connect living multi-tenant software ecosystems from a single plain English command. Let's look at a technical case study, instructing the agent to build a complete credit card application portal. It immediately maps out the core architecture, establishing pulsing connections between a shared database and the customer interface. The agent independently structures the shared database. It establishes strict role-based access controls, ensuring the new admin panel has internal permissions the customer-facing interface does not. Next, it implements automated background tasks. An AI decision engine is spun up to autonomously evaluate incoming applicant data against specific risk parameters, routing them to approval or rejection without a human keystroke. Finally, the agent handles the external integrations. It seamlessly wires the custom software to your external communication platforms, firing alerts to Slack and applicant emails in real time. The AI handled every layer of the build, maintaining the architectural vision of a living system. It essentially automated the role of a high-overhead engineering team, like the ones typically found in these modern offices. This orchestration extends far beyond software engineering. The exact same principles apply to building scalable digital media assets, specifically the automated AI influencer model. The creation pipeline is incredibly fast. You can generate a completely unique, hyper-realistic digital model from scratch in under 5 minutes. From there, you build an automated content generation loop. You use large language models, which are AI systems that can understand and generate human-like text, to write niche scripts and pair them with image generators to create targeted lifestyle photos. The critical monetization layer in this ecosystem is a platform called FanView. FanView is specifically designed to allow anonymous creators to earn recurring subscription revenue directly from their AI models. To feed that platform, you deploy a value-first multi-platform distribution strategy. By consistently delivering free, helpful tips across social media channels, you funnel high-volume traffic directly to the monetized FanView profile. By entirely removing your physical presence from the equation, you transition from a burnt-out content creator trapped in a daily grind to the invisible architect of a media empire. This chart breaks down conservative revenue for a single digital asset. 100 recurring subscribers yields $500 a month, but watch a serious scale scenario. Multiply that asset across niches like fitness, business, and fashion, and the math pushes past $230,000 annually. This dynamic creates the AI cliff, a massive divide between businesses that use integrated autonomous systems and those that do not. Once a business integrates AI, its productivity jumps exponentially, making it impossible for traditional competitors to catch up. Warning tone: True wealth is now created by managing autonomous systems, not by executing manual tasks. You must become the director rather than the worker. The 5-year window to claim these digital territories is aggressively closing. These orchestration tools are moving quickly from cutting-edge experiments to mandatory industry standards. You have a choice. Abandon the monolithic grind of manual labor and embrace your role as a system orchestrator, or watch the wealth window shut entirely.